What's up guys? Today I wanted to show you the XK glow lights that I just got. I got this kit from MNNTHBX. It comes with 2 light strips, 6 light pods, some zip ties, some mounting accessories, the control unit with a switch, some splitters, and a sticker. To start, I just went ahead and laid everything out. I actually read the instructions, but the instructions actually were for a cigarette lighter controller, but it was still easy to figure out. I went ahead and removed all the plastics to start with to run all my wires. I took painter's tape and mocked up all the light positions temporarily. After that, I went ahead and made sure that the switch worked and that all the light pods and the bars worked with all the colors. One of my connections was actually a little loose when I first started, so I was missing a color on a couple of the lights. After I made sure everything worked and that I was happy with the light positioning, I used some rubbing alcohol to clean all the surfaces where the lights were going, and then I used the 3M tape stuff that is provided in the kit. It's basically like a GoPro mount if you've ever used that, so it's really good. They also have these tiny wire holders that you can use, which are really nice to keep the wiring mess to a minimum. After I got everything together, I went ahead and opened up the app. It's got some pretty cool features where you can pair it with music, it gets brighter with your speed, a breathe effect, full custom modes where you can customize it yourself, and much more stuff that I'll probably never use, but it's nice that it's there. Also, just to mention, you can wire up these lights to run 2 different colors at the same time. I chose to just run one just because it was a smaller bike. Also, there's a brake light function, which is really nice if you wanted to wire it up, just mainly for safety purposes. Overall, I really like the lights. They put out a lot of light, and it really changes the look of my bike at night. Also, for safety purposes, it's a big plus since the bike is more seen at night. My only concern is the 3M tape used to mount the lights. I'll be testing it out and seeing how that holds up with the off-roading, the rain, and the wheelies that I do. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you guys next time.